Cricket Wireless allows you to easily upgrade or downgrade your plan based on your needs. This flexibility is a key advantage of their prepaid, no contract service. Most changes can be done instantly through the Cricket app or website. Changes are typically effective within minutes for data plans. You can also make changes by calling 1-800-CRICKET or visiting a store, but digital methods are usually faster. To change your plan, log into the Cricket Wireless app or website. Select Manage Plan from the menu. From there, you can choose to upgrade to a plan with more data or downgrade to a cheaper option. Upgrades often take effect immediately, while downgrades might take up to 24 hours. Remember, there are no early termination fees. Cricket offers a pay-as-you-go billing model for flexible data add-ons if you don't want to change plans completely. The app even provides AI-powered plan recommendations based on your usage, making the decision easier.